Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a Studio Calico unboxing. Now, they have gone from those charming zipper pouches, which I've always had a ton right here, but they're over there to be packed, to this. I think I got an email that talked something about this, but I didn't have time to read it through. That's on me. I understand this, but I don't know. I'm a pouch girl. I love the pouches. Now, you can cut these apart, and there's things on the inside, so of course I will do that. Now, so this is I guess, is it July or June? I'm not sure, but it says summer, and that's fun. So this will immediately go on the trip. So I'm excited about that. I did see all this, but let's start here. So we've got the stamps with summer. You are in the sunshine. You are sunshine, pardon me. Every moment has a story. Go with the flow. Sunshine, sunny days, destination, state of mind, vacation, adventures. Yeah, and then there's the sun. I think that's cute. Waves for the ocean. We're going to be there. And then we've got, I'm just going to go through this part first. Oh, this is the July kit. So here's all the stickers. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. And we're going to be, July, August, so we'll see what is going to happen. But just regular labels, lots of color, very pretty. More stickers. I think those are really sweet. More helping you to journal, things like that. So wander, savoring these summer moments, just keep smiling. Summer, and you can put love it. Too hot, fun in the sun, winds fall, get outside, and vacay. So I think that'll be fun. They gave us letters. Ooh, I like that font. That is really pretty. Yeah, that's real pretty font. And then chipboard stickers. So we've got summer, sunshine, fun, 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 beach vibes outside, warm hugs, explore, AM, PM, checklist or check off, in my backyard, every summer has a story, oh, happy day. I love that song. And then just a really pretty, colorful one. We also have journaling cards. So I love these kits. But when it comes time for me to renew, I probably won't. I feel kind of trapped in it because I had to sign up for a year, and I'm sure I did it because that was the best deal. But I don't necessarily want to do that anymore. I think I'm just gonna be using up what I have, and if I need something specifically, then I'll just order the one thing. But it is a great way. Subscriptions are a great way to get great products for less money, and that makes it nice. Fun, fun, fun. I love that back. And it looks like just shapes and the days of the week. So summer, those same checklist. Pretty colors, road trip. Let's have some fun. Lots of waves. Gingham, summer memories. Take more chances, dance more dances. I like that. That's pretty. Summer. And then I love that for journaling. And then just fun, picnicky kind of gingham colors and design. And then rainbow. And then today, the 7th, of course, is the 7th month is July. Waves, grid, dots, and then rainbow. So pretty. All right, so there's that one. And so then you get double stack of these ATC size. Oh, happy day. I love that song. Love these summer days. Looks like a watermelon, but rainbow. So sun and colors and more fun. And then more journaling, things to check off to do. Beach vibes. There we go. Here's all of that. More of that checklist for journaling. Just another shape. Grid for journaling. Heart, take a deep breath, and dots, and the lines with more grids, the month July, and then a library card, swatches of colors, summer and road trip, and that. So these are also things that you can make. If you have any level of drawing or any of those kind of abilities, you can make these. I've made these forever. Explore, happy face, more happy faces, plaid, plus or minus. I like that. When you go on a vacation, you can afterwards on the way home say, I like this, I do this again, I don't like that, I wouldn't do that again. A grid, happy face, kind of a what you do for the week, kind of a planner type thing. and keep moving forward. So I love that. That's cute. And these are perfect also to frame pictures with. I know, they're great. Okay, last but not least, in this kit, there are, and I think it's vellum. It is. So you've got the cherry, the happy face, the kind of rainbow watermelon, whoops, the sunny days, explore more. Let me see what else it says. It says, I want to see everything, explore more. Okay, keep on shining. Honey, don't do my stuff until you get your shower. Watermelon, living for summer, happy face, summer is a state of mind, sweet summer. More of that. Sorry, I had to catch her before she went down. Time to explore the world, get outside. So super, super cute stuff. It will be perfectly go into my goodies. Now, I would not suggest carrying this around. It does get banged up in the shipping, but I would highly suggest taking it apart before you decide to cut it apart or use it. I'm going to take it apart and show you guys more what's on the inside and then determine how I'm going to cut it up and save it. So I love all the happy faces. That's easy. I mean, you could literally get a punch out and punch out whatever you don't use. And I am really not doing well with this, but, you know, hey, there we go. There's the sweet spot. Okay, so I think those are charming. I will cut those apart immediately so I can take them. There's additional journaling goodies. Now, as far as the back side, that has the label, and I will see if that will come off. I have a strange feeling, but they've marked all over it too at the post office. That's not going to come off very well. And besides that, it's going to be sticky underneath. So I will just attach these down on pages. I won't even use them like a flip. But this is charming, and you know I'm going to cut that apart and use that. So super cute. It's an interesting way to go. I totally get it. This saves them money, and it's one less step. So, pardon me, but I will say those clear bags are fantastic. And I do have plenty, so I'm just going to utilize what I have. Hold on one second, guys. Sorry, I was kind of joking. But I am excited to get the kit, and I do think it's a great kit, and I do think that Studio Calico does a great job. I just have felt kind of like I needed to take a break. So, and again, if you can see it, it's Studio Calico, and I think it's just studiocalico.com. But super cute kits. I've loved them. I've loved every bit of them, but I'm kind of in a plethora of them, and so, yeah. And the idea behind this is you're to journal every month as you get it. Life didn't work that way for me. It never has. So I do the run and catch up to kind of journaling, and that works for me. So, but I will continue this until I finish my subscription, and then I will just order from them intermittently. So, all right, guys, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. If you like this, what is your favorite thing, and how would you use this? Would you use this in your personal journaling, in your family scrapbooking, a gift for a friend? What would you do? Use it in your planner? You could use all of this in a planner. All right, guys. I love you guys. Leave a comment. Like I said, which one would you use? Like if you liked this particular kit, and if you like this video. Or if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Liking, subscribing, and leave it in a comment. They're all free. Sharing it with a friend is all free. And that helps. It helps me. It helps the channel, and I greatly appreciate your help. All right, friends. Again, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I love you as much as I love you. God loves you so much more. Y'all go out and have a great day today. All right, friends. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.